What's up, YouTube? Have you wanted an area to grow your own greens? Well, I'm not the grow your own greens guy, so you gotta go check out his video. But I am the guy that will help you build something. I don't know. What's up, YouTube? This is not going great. Okay, definitely gonna have to cut a lot of this. Okay, blink, blink, blink. Definitely gonna have to do a bloopers reel. What's up, YouTube? God dog it. What's up, YouTube? That did not go well. Okay, what's up, YouTube? Do you want a place to grow your own healthy food? Do you want to know how to build a raised bed? If you do, you're in the wrong place. You are definitely in the right place. Stick around, because that's what we're building today. My name is Jesse, and this right here is Healthy Grow. I keep looking down because I did. What's up, YouTube? Have you wanted a place to grow your own healthy food? Do you want to know how to build a raised bed? Well, stick around today, because that's what we're doing. Roll the intro. Oh wait, we don't have one. Anyways, my name is Jesse, and this is Healthy Growth. Today, we're going to be looking at building one of the most commonly used methods for gardening, and that is raised beds. Now, since the COVID, can't talk about that shit. What's up, guys? Have you wanted a What's up, guys? Have you wanted a place to grow your own healthy... Damn it. And this is Healthy Good. What's up, guys? Have you wanted a place to grow your own healthy food? Did you want to know how to build a raised bed? Well, stick around today, because that's what we're doing. Roll the intro. Oh, wait, we don't have one. Okay, well, my name is Jesse, and this is Healthy Growth. Now today, we're gonna be looking at one of the most commonly used methods for gardening today, raised beds. Now I know it sounds kind of interesting, but it is. So, what we're looking at today is basically taking some wood, some screws, putting it together, and boom, you got yourself a raised bed. Oh shit. Alright, today I'm gonna be building 4.5 by 10 foot raised beds out of 2x10s that are 10 foot long. Now I'm gonna be building some massive beds, but that doesn't mean that you have to make the same size. I'm doing this because I would like to start my own urban farm. Now building these beds is super easy. You really need only one tool to get this done, and that's going to be a drill, because you can always get your home improvement store to cut the boards for you. Second item you might need is a saw. Now you can use different kinds of saws. You can use a hand saw. That's going to be the most manual labor intensive way to do it, but it can be done. The next is you can use a circular saw. That's going to make your cuts super quick and easy. I don't have one of those, so I've got to use what I've got. I could use a jigsaw. Jigsaw is probably going to be one of the hardest ways to do it, because you've got to keep a straight line and it's got to work its way through all this wood. Another saw, and the one that I'll be using, is a miter saw. Now miter saws are used to make angled cuts. We don't need any angled cuts, we just need a straight cut, but that's the only kind of saw I've got, so that's what I'm using today. Alright, So the only other thing that you're gonna need for a raised bed is soil. You know, you need your wood, your screws, and your soil. That's about all you need to make a raised bed. So let's go ahead, move outside, and get started. Alright guys, so here we are outside in my front yard, and as you can see, there's not much going on right now. But that is all about to change. Alright guys, so here we are, getting ready to cut this board. Definitely want to try to measure it twice and cut only once. You can only make this board shorter and not longer. Alright, so we have our first cut board. Looks like it lines up just about perfectly. So what I'm going to do is actually use this same board to make sure that the others are the exact same size. So I'm going to line them up, draw my lines, cut them out, and then we're going to move on. Alright, well there you have it. That was all the cutting that was needed, so the next step is of course to get things drilling. These pieces that I've already cut, those are the ones that I'm going to go ahead and drill. So what I want to do is take this board, and I want to measure about 1 inch from the edge, because the boards are only 2 inches thick. And you want it to be center mass of the other board. Alright, sorry. So again, you want to measure 1 inch away from the edge because the board is only 2 inches thick, and that's going to put its center mass with the board that we're going to be creating an L shape with. So what I'll go ahead and do is measure the 1 inch, and I'm going to drill probably about 3 holes per side so that I can screw these in. So let's go ahead and get started. Here we go. So I've got my board standing up, ready to go. I've got the lengthwise board ready to go. You can see there's a little bit of work to the concrete here, so it sticks up a little bit. We'll just have to put a little bit of weight on that. There's also a little bit of a bow in the board, so I wanted to put that bow going towards the outside, not the inside. Now we just need to get our screws and get started. Alright, well I've got one side done, I've just got to do the other, and I got to do this many more times. See you at the end. well, here we are. We're all finished with our first bed. I'm going to continue on. I've got 3 more to make, but you are all done. If this is all that you wanted was one bed, then you are all set. All you've got to do is fill it up with soil. Please subscribe down below. Click the bell so you get notifications when we have new videos posted. And we'll see you in the next video when I show you what I fill up these beds with. Grow healthy, my friends. Now, if you would like to, go ahead and subscribe and follow down below, because I'm going to be doing something. I don't know.